You want a mind so tough it scares people? Then stop trying to look strong. Start becoming unbreakable. The strongest minds are not loud. They are calm. They do not panic when life gets hard. They do not fold when pressure rises. Also, resilience is the ability to adapt through mental, emotional, and behavioral flexibility, not fake aggression. Right now, your mind is probably being trained by comfort. Every time you avoid the hard task, every time you delay the workout, every time you choose the easy reward, you are teaching your brain to fear effort. And the worst part is that this happens slowly, so you do not notice the damage until you feel weak, distracted, and behind in life. Research on behavior change shows that healthy habits do not appear by accident. They are built through repetition, and an evidence review found that automaticity often levels off after about 66 days on average, though it varies from person to person and behavior to behavior. That means your future is not decided by one big decision. It is decided by what you repeat. In a large study of more than 2,200 people, stronger self-control was linked with stronger exercise, sleep, and healthy eating habits, and those habits made behavior feel more automatic and less effortful. In other words, disciplined people are not constantly fighting themselves. They build routines that do the fighting for them, so stop waiting to feel ready. Build systems, use if-then plans. If it is 7 a.m., you get out of bed. If you feel resistance, you start anyway. If your mind begs for comfort, you deny it. Research on implementation intentions shows that simple if-then plans can significantly improve goal achievement and help people act in line with their intentions. This is how a tough mind is built. Not through motivation, through repetition, through keeping promises when nobody is watching, through doing the same hard thing long enough that it becomes part of your identity. The version of you that wins is not created by one intense day. It is created by hundreds of boring days where you refuse to quit. And that is the real threat you become. Not a person who talks big, a person who cannot be easily pulled off course, a person who stays steady under pressure, a person who moves first and feels later. Start today. Do one hard thing on purpose. Then do it again tomorrow. Keep going until your old self no longer recognizes you.